time. I wonder if it's that many YouTubers look at the video they created, or they started, and they looked at it and went, ugh, that's awful, delete that. Because I look at mine all the time going, oh, that sucks. I got, you can see it behind me there, huh? I don't know if you can, maybe on the right, or is that the left? I don't know. Could be reversed depending which way you're looking at it. I don't know if you can even see it. I got two tires mounted up on rims. So I got two tires mounted up. Listen. Let's see. I have to lift that in my back. Just laughed at me and went, no. Should have put the other one on first. Fuck. Whatever. We'll work it out. Okay. Back to this side. This shredder is not quite as bad. And since we're stuck with these brake pads, a fair bit of meat left on the inside one. Oh, stuff falling down. Don't know what it was, but I'm not dead, so we're good. So yeah, we're gonna pull this off, pull the hub, hopefully not drop a bearing on the floor again, and then replace the rotor. Bit low. I'd like to talk to you about your used car insurance. Or is that warranty? I don't know. I'm so confused. I'm not Batman. Drive shaft's in, U-bolts are in, drive shaft's in. I'm gonna go put the battery tray on, set a battery, not one, because I don't have a dual battery. I don't have cable set up for 2 yet. And then we'll lone wolf it here. We'll see if it'll move. That's the key, is get it to move. First is to check to see that the clutch is disengaging or engaging. Means I'm gonna have to sit in there. Probably got a bolt up the butt or something, but anyway, we'll figure that out. Prime the fuel system. Looking for my little, oh, there. Jumper wires here. Let's make sure we got 12. We got 12, we got 13. We got better than 12. Oh yeah. We don't want to do that. No. You didn't see me do that, did you? Okay. Oh, it's in neutral. Yeah, I just thought of that. Priming the turbo. Should be good. We'll go another 5-6. Better safe than sorry. That should do it. Now's the ticket. This is now it'll be, will it move? Over and down it is. Whoa. Yeah, baby. She is mobile. Let's see if all that work I did on the clutch is gonna be paying off, or did I just piss into the wind? Dude, there's some fantastic news. So, I've got a working clutch. She'll drive. Clutch is working, she'll drive. That is fantastic. Beside myself here. So now we are definitely in super cleanup mode. Like, get this bolt back in wherever it went. I don't know, find another one, put another one on there. Clutch is working, the fuel system's working. I smell a little bit of burnt fuel, which is to be expected. I need to get some stuff for the glow plug strip, because I haven't built a glow plug circuit for it yet. It wasn't a priority because I could get it running. Get the fan onto the intercooler, get the fuel lines sorted out, cleaned up, pulled up into place. We've got the some of these fuel and cables and power cables are running up and down and over and around each other. Get the transmission bolted in, because there's 2 studs underneath that are not bolted in yet. Get those bolted in. But this means that I can start it up. I can drive it out of the garage. Fantastic. It's been so long since this beast has run and driven. I am happy. Because now you start to be able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Light at the end of the tunnel, we're starting to see that. I'm gonna, this weekend, hopefully I'll have it out and it's not licensed or plated, but I can get it out of the garage, get the brakes pumped up so they're hard. We'll find out if this master cylinder is dead or if I've got to replace it. If I got to replace it, it's the way she is. I got to replace it. So we have it moving. I have exhaust parts coming. I have another 90-degree elbow coming so I can run the exhaust out and down the side. But that's fantastic. It means I can start putting things back together. Yeah. Now my head's spinning. So, cool. It moves. Now we gotta finish. YouTube, don't pay me nothing. And I lost a subscriber. Wah. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Somebody didn't like what I was saying or doing, or I don't know. Who knows? Whatever it is, it's okay. We'll figure it out. We're out.